Good morning, it is Saturday. I have dance again from 1 to 3. Right now I'm watching Shameless. If you guys have never watched it, you guys should. So I'm going to dance right now with the stupid parking brake on. Okay, this is what's wrong with our car. So basically, it glitches out and says that our parking brake is on, but if it was on, we would not be moving. Okay, so basically I blow dried my hair. I took a shower and everything. But my little baby got a haircut. He looks like a rat. Say hi, say hey. Good morning, it is Sunday. At TikTok where you do this, and then I got this. It never came off. But right now, I'm doing my mom's home talk. I completely forgot to vlog today and yesterday. Tomorrow it's supposed to snow. So that's exciting. Having myself some mac and cheese. I haven't had mac and cheese in a long time. I think a few months. Okay, so I went to Home Goods today. No, Home Goods, Marshall's, with my mom, and we went to grocery shopping. But obviously I'm not going to give you a haul on what I got from the grocery store, just food. But I got this because I kind of want to paint my nails a different color, even though I just did my nails. But I'm already sick of the color. This is the one thing that I'm happy about having my own nail stuff, is that I can change the color whenever I want.
Then I got these leggings. I want to try something different. So, they're well, you can't even see them. They're oh yeah, now you can. It's like a skin print. And then I got blue leggings. Here, let me give you, there we go. Black leggings, blue leggings. Now you can see. I actually have a similar one to this, but it's stars. I don't really know what print it is, but it's something. Something. I got these sweatpants. They're not really sweatpants. They're really thin, sort of.
Good morning. It's Monday. So there's a lot of snow. I don't want a pancake. I'm a very picky eater. I don't like breakfast foods much. Sorry. Anyways, I'm more of like a lunch or dinner. I'm not tired. Maggie, you're not tired. You're not tired. So I made banana bread. Junk is fire. Actually, I didn't have it yet. But it's probably good. Ew. So, I cut a piece of the banana bread. And what I tell you, it was good. Good morning, it's Tuesday. So, basically, yesterday I blow dried my hair and I put mascara on and I never took the mascara off. So it's still on my eyes. And I painted both of my hands. They don't look that good, but that's okay. You always gotta make a weird noise in every vlog that I post. No, the person behind me, Mom. That was my dad. Power punch. Okay, so I didn't really plan this, but I literally have an all black fit. So I have these leggings that I got from Marshall's. Then I got this, I think from the Dollar Tree or something like that. But it's a nice sweatshirt. I got this for Christmas, which probably was from Amazon. And then these from Walmart. Also, I did my eyelashes. Then my mask. Then I have this, but that was from one of my mom's supporters. Oh, and then these are my mom's. Fun fact, we went to Target. This stupid ass beeping noise. Beep, beep. Anyways, went to Target, got some Starbucks, and we went shopping for some stuff. I got stuff, makeup. I got a mascara, eyebrow gel, and an eyebrow thing.
Can they help us find the haul?
And then lip gloss. Because I kind of want to try something different. I kind of want to start doing my eyebrows again like I did before. but not as dark as I used to. I think that's all I got, really. Oh, and I got Chex Mix. I wanted to make Puppy Chow. Lauren, if you're watching this, I know you're gonna appreciate that I made this. And I just look like a different person with these eyelashes on, but I kind of like it. Oh my god!
Emergency, emergency, the phone fell out.
I knew my phone was gonna fall. Like, I had a feeling. I never even put my sunglasses on. There's no point to, but it completed the outfit. Why am I talking like I'm in like I'm a sports entertainer person talking? That didn't make any sense. Like, whoa, Mom, look, I look like a different person. Okay, so now we're back home. Hold on. Okay, Mom. My mom was telling me I'm a spoiled brat because I eat snacks. Yeah, that's a good one.
Anyways, so I got deodorant. I got this eyebrow thing. And then I got this. I've used this before, but I don't know where it went. I got this. Which the only reason why I wanted to try it was because look at the after. And this is waterproof because I don't like regular mascaras. Like, everyone's different, but I hate regular mascaras. Like, not regular mascaras, but like non-waterproof ones. Because they never last. They always smudge. And if I go like this, they just go. So I got waterproof just to be safe. And I got this shampoo because we ran out of purple shampoo. And we only have conditioner. I got this. So I was like, let me try something new. This is the eyebrow pencil. Actually, this is different packaging than before. So this is the Revolution. Oh, I thought it was going to be smaller because on the back, well, you can't really trust packaging. Let me do my eyebrows. I barely put any product in my eyebrows and they already look 10 times better. This is my good eyebrow. If y'all couldn't tell. Yeah. If I were to get like my eyebrows microbladed, oh, that'd be a dream. Not that I really care much about my eyebrows, but I would consider it. So, we're gonna set this. Look at that. Ew. I don't like it as much, but you know, don't really want to waste it, so I'm gonna use it. I'll try this mascara tomorrow if I even put makeup on tomorrow.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. Hey vlog. So basically, right now I'm gonna curl my hair. Cause you know, I just want to try something different. So I'll be back when my hair is curled. Okay, so I just finished curling my hair and I just did my eyebrows. Put on the fake eyelashes. This is the mascara. So I mean, like, it's very subtle. Let me show y'all the fit. It's not any cute, but you know, it kind of ties down from the whole makeup. Even though the makeup's not that much. Hey y'all. In the car again, going to school.
It's snowing. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can, great. Wait. Yeah, you can't really see it, but yeah.
I'm going to school. So I got out of school. Oh, this lighting is like kind of good. Good morning. It is Thursday. I'm making breakfast right now because I'm hungry, even though it's 12 o'clock. But I don't care. I don't care. So I made some. There's not a lot because I didn't have enough hash browns, and I was honestly, this will be fine. Okay, so I got Taco Bell again. Last time I was supposed to get this.
Well, actually, I didn't really plan on getting a small one. They just gave me a small one, which I'm kind of happy about. Because I tried the Baja Blast, and yes, I already drank most of it. But what I'm trying to say is that it's okay. It's not the best. It's okay. It's just weird.
I did my nails. And these ones I actually might keep on because they don't look messy. So, good morning. It is Friday. And yes, I am vlogging this on Saturday because I forgot to do an intro for Friday. Okay, so I came back from school early and I have teeth whitening strips. I because I had a sub last period, which was 7th period, so I was like, there's no point of staying in school. So I came home. It looks so weird talking with these on. I also got a fat pimple on my face that I won't stop picking at. And I have a lisp because of this. My hair looks whack. I need to wash it. I was supposed to wash it yesterday, but then I was like, what's the point? So I didn't wash it. Because I just washed it on Wednesday. Hey guys, I'm with Lauren. We were supposed to have plans, but they canceled.
It's okay.
Yeah, I know you're watching this. I'm not gonna say your name, but I know you're watching this. Hey! Oh, Penny.
What the fuck? Sexuality? I didn't even click that. Fuck is Pasta Jack? His voice is just soothing to listen to. It's a Fortnite. Candy fruit. No, it's okay. I love ASMR. I'm not gonna. How do we get? Wait, who is this?
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like it and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing week-long vlogs and posting them on Saturdays. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for those. And yeah, bye guys.